In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from your TikTok balance using the Gcash app. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple as possible. To start, make sure you have your device handy and open the TikTok app. It's important to confirm that you're logged into the correct account where your earnings are stored. Once the app is launched, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. There, you'll see an icon labeled Profile located at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on that icon. This will take you to your personal TikTok profile. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time to access your balance settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll notice a three-line menu icon, often referred to as the burger menu. This icon is packed with several options for configuring your account. Tap on this icon and a menu will appear. From here, you want to locate the section titled Creator Tools and then select Balance. The Balance section is where you'll find details about your earnings, and from here, you initiate the withdrawal process. After accessing the Balance section, you should see an option that says Withdraw. This is where you'll start moving your funds from TikTok to your bank or e-wallet. Go ahead and tap on Withdraw. Now you'll need to select your preferred payment method. TikTok offers several options, but for this video, we're specifically focusing on Gcash. So, on the list of payment options available, find and select Gcash to proceed. Once you've chosen Gcash as your withdrawal method, it's time to enter the amount you wish to take out. Carefully input the amount you'd like to withdraw from your TikTok balance. Be sure to double check your input to avoid any mistakes. The final step is to confirm the transaction. Locate the Confirm button at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This will complete the transaction and initiate the transfer from your TikTok account to your Gcash account. And that's it! You've successfully withdrawn money from your TikTok balance using Gcash. Make sure to check your Gcash account to ensure the transfer was successful. Always remember to keep your account details secure and only use trusted devices for such transactions. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore our other content for more tips and tutorials on how to maximize your TikTok experience. Enjoy your earnings and see you next time.